might have this sled at Port Orchard next year. Yes. Well, yeah. It just got screwed up this year because half of all the guys went down to Oregon.
Yeah. Kimberly, I have 40
How you doing?
Hello. Okay. What kind of vehicle is this?
It's a CJ7 body,
Okay.
5-ton military running gear,
Okay.
front and rear steer. Got a little Detroit in the front, Allison automatic, and a deuce and a half transfer case.
So is this like a mega truck?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah.
We do all kinds of mega fun stuff with it.
Okay. Where are you out of?
Gig Harbor.
Okay. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Are you mainly use it in the mud or what?
Yeah, I just use it here, there, and everywhere.
Yeah.
We like to do cancer
Okay.
support wherever they're doing something for cancer, and we fit in. We try to be there.
Okay. You got a unique rig right here.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
I got the most unique trophy for it the other day. One of those just made out of broken parts. It was really cool.
Right.
And it was for most unique.
Okay. Okay. When I saw you make a right here with the bus, I didn't know what to think of it. And I saw you show up here, and I was like, oh, okay, you're gonna be part of the pool.
Yep. Just here for fun.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you ever see that all that JD wear? His hair looking. Well, his hair was about this tall. His hair looked nice.
It's 7,500.
It was fucking heavy. It was like 12 something. Exhibition then?
There's not many classes. I'm just looking.
Yeah. They have an exhibition.
What are they factory? Like a freaking 110 horse or something? Is that what it was? That ain't too bad. 453.
That's with 45 injectors. It's got 92s in it.
Right on.
It's kind of big. Can't wait to see what she does. It's not the same sled as Squim, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Good. I want to see if it does better.
Well, the thing about it this time is the sled's got new Grouser bars on it.
I'm gonna wear them off.
Yeah.
She seemed to do pretty good.
The Grousers, they don't really have much effect until they dump the air out at the very end. And if shit starts getting out of control, then they dump it. Actually, about the same. Huh?
Diesel.
Yeah.
Well, I like wrote down gas because I'm just like picturing that thing. Yeah.
So it's diesel, I'm pretty sure.
This little 4-cylinder CJ7.
It's got to be exhibition.
That's all it is.
Put him with Joey. I don't
Just
give
here
a
for
shit.
fun.
Joey's two-wheel drive though.
I don't remember. What'd you pull in Squim?
Exhibition.
Exhibition diesel?
Yeah, he's got to be.
We don't care. Whatever makes you guys happy.
I can't even ride on your windshield because there isn't one.
If you use invisible wink, though, nobody will know.
There, good idea. There.
Does that have an air kill on it? It does?
Those hopes in Detroit. You gotta have one of those.
It's got 2 kills. Hitch height okay?
Sure. I mean, does it make a fucking
I
difference?
don't know, I'm just trying to gather around. Yeah, fire extinguisher.
Yes.
Not that he could change it anyways, because it's welded on.
Do you have a helmet?
Got a roof.
Protective clothing.
All right, George.
Got a red shirt. It says cancer suffering.
Those DOT for here. Got all my drivers here?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Still got one more. Nobody leave. We got more.
Don't leave, we got more coming.
You just don't know what's going to happen out here. We still have a few more trucks to run.
Yeah, on the end, make sure you send Theo down here. We gotta get these ruts out of the center.
He's coming. Here we go with Pumkin.
Oh, he's coming
I
out
hope it said
next.
that right. It's the rock crawler. I think.
Where's he from?
Washington. I'm not sure where that's at. I think it's not relative.
on, folks, it's all for you.
Kind of reminds me of Cheech and Chong, doesn't he?
Yeah. supposed to relocate a little bit so we can get to our